What's up guys, Melonie Mac here, and I want to show you my sweet new streaming setup. I just built this new rig right here, so I want to show you super rad stuff. I'm going to show you a little bit of footage, super sweet B-roll of all of the awesome parts in this PC, so here we go. So there you have it, my streaming setup. I'm going to have everything that you see here in the description below if you want to read up on everything that's to do with my sweet setup. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my streams at twitch.tv/MelonieMac, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.